ओम शांति अव्यक्ति परिवार में आपका स्वागत है।
Om Shanti, welcome to Avyakti Parivar. Today is the 17th day. Perform the dance of harmonizing sanskar. Today's topic is the Rosary of Victory. The Avyakt signal. Whenever you prepare a rosary, each bead remains connected to the next bead. In the Rosary of Victory too, even the last bead is connected to the other beads. Therefore, let everyone feel that they are like beads threaded in a rosary. Whilst having a variety of sanskars, let the closeness be visible. Now we'll listen from Moini Didi.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
बाबा चाहते हैं कि हम सबके संस्कारों का मिलन हो।
Baba wants all our sanskar to be harmonized, and an example of that is a rosary. There's a lot of significance of a rosary in the path of bhakti, devotion with a lot of love and bhavna. There's a song, we created a rosary, selectively picking each bead. And the garland is used, or the rosary is used for different reasons, whether it is for a wedding, the bride and the bridegroom, they exchange garland. So there is a lot of significance in the Laukik and in the Alaukik. So the beads of the rosary are connected to each other and are always, so even if there is a ras, they create a circle. So even when you see a rosary, the garland, it's like a circle. Dadi Janki always shared to us that you have to be so close like the beads of the rosary, but there shouldn't be any attachment. So the beads of a rosary are very close to each other, but they're never stuck to each other. They're separate. There will be a very slight space or a thread. So there should be a lot of love, but there shouldn't be any kind of pull or attachment. So for that, we need to do very good Purusharth. We have the example of our Mama and Baba, all our Dadis, Dadi Prakashmani, and all the other Dadis too. They were very close to each other, to Brahma Baba as well. But when Brahma Baba became Avyakt, Dadi Prakashmani, she realized what was her responsibility. Baba is the current Karavanhar, he's the one who's getting it done. She would hold that slogan and took care of the yajna, and progress happened in the yajna. So we saw, like, similarly in all the dadis, there were a lot of closeness. But even when situation or circumstances come, you never would see, like Nirmal Shanta Dadi would give an example. When Baba became Avyakt, the trans messenger, message came, and for 2 minutes there was almost like tears came, and then immediately Nirmal Shanta Dadi had the thought, no, Baba has not taught us this, so we can't. Though she was a daughter in the Laukik way, but she never had even the slightest tears in her eyes. So these are all examples in front of us through which we can stabilize in that kind of a stage, so that when we can check ourselves, that we have that kind of a love, but at the same time, not that attachment. And the name itself is the Rosary of Victory, Vaichantimala. Victory over what? Victory over on for all forms, whether it is in relationship, whether it is name, fame, whether it is abundance, in any form, we got victory. Your clothes as well, there is equality, but at the same time, there is you're detached and loving. And that's why Baba is saying, whenever you prepare a rosary, each bead remains connected to the next bead. In the Rosary of Victory too, even the last bead is connected to the other bead. Therefore, let everyone feel that they are like beads threaded in a rosary. Many people ask, how can we create a rosary? Will the first two beads be like a couple? Or it's like 1, 2, 3, 108. So the first one and the 108, will they meet? Because this one is starting and the other one is ending. So many people ask these kind of questions. So when Baba says 8, Lakshmi and Narayan, so will one Lakshmi be on one side and on the other side? Or will it be in a circle? So though they are number wise, but both the sides will be equal. So that's why Baba is telling, even if they're in the last bead, it's connected to other beads. So you can go into a lot of expansion and think about it. Therefore, let everyone feel that they are like beads threaded in a rosary. Once having a variety of sanskars, let the closeness be visible. Many people say that the way you speak, the way you live, the style that you live, they're all similar. The way you eat Brahma Bhojan also, in whichever center you go, you will get similar kind of Brahma Bhojan. So there should be quality, there should be closeness as well. And so for whatever reason, we shouldn't be separate from each other. So think about it and see, how are we? Will Baba choose me to be in the rosary of victory? So what are its qualification? Equal, close. Though you're close, you're detached, Nyara, and you all look the same when you're together. So the beads don't look, one is bigger, one is smaller. No. Yes, when you create a rosary of flowers, they look different. But the regular rosary, which has only the beads, they look all equal, the same. So for one moment, second, Baba looks at us. So where will Baba's attention go towards which bead? Will it be because of the sparkle? To what reason that the attention of Baba would go? So churn, reflect on it, that we should come into the vision of Baba. Only then he will pick us up. If his vision doesn't even go on us, then so keep the aim. So why don't we come in the 108 and let Baba's vision fall on me because of speciality, because of closeness? Om Shanti.
ओम शांति अव्यक्त मुरली रिवीजन 1969 से पदम भाग्य और वरदान। अव्यक्त वाणी तारीख है 11 अप्रैल
Avyakt Murli. The date is 11th of March 1973 and the theme is transformation.
निशानी क्या है जिससे समझे कि यह परिवर्तन की संपूर्ण स्टेज है अभी की
There should be
परिवर्तन
such a gathering twice a year.
संपूर्ण परिवर्तन
The
की
gathering
निशानी
of every
वर्ष
time
बीते
has
करते
its own
अब
transformation, the ascending
बाकी
stage.
समय क्या
Just
रहा
as every year,
परिवर्तन ऐसा हो जो सभी के मुख से निकले कि इनमें तो पूरा ही परिवर्तन आ गया है अपने परिवर्तन की बात
the
पूछे
gathering of every time has its own transformation of the ascending stage. Just as every year that has passed has had love, relationship, and cooperation. In the same way, this will have the stage of ascent and transformation. Now, the complete stage should be visible in a practical way. This year, it is essential for this transformation to take place in a special way. Now, they have gradually started dropping bombs deliberately in order to bring about revelation, have they not? When you come to a debate about religion, you can defeat them in one aspect, which is that their religion and dharma are not in a practical form, whereas the proof of godly knowledge is in your practical life. On the one side, there is the debate of religion, and on the other side, the stage of being a practical embodiment of dharna. If these two are not together, then the challenge you issue of your practical life cannot be clearly visible. As you continue to move forward, you have to pay attention to this aspect. To have knowledge in a practical way, as you continue to move forward, you have to pay attention to this aspect. To have knowledge in a practical way, that is, to be the embodiment of dharana, the embodiment of knowledge, and the embodiment of virtues. The knowledge and virtue should be visible even from the images. Nowadays, by discussing things, they are not able to reveal their image. However, through your image, you can make them silent in 1 second. On one hand, you may give a lecture, but on the other hand, you should also be the image in a practical way. Only then will you be successful in the debate of religion. This is why, just as you make a program for service, so too make progress in making your own programs. It is essential to do this. The program for the progress of your together. There should be a balance between the two. अच्छा
जो विश्व परिवर्तन के निमित्त बने हुए हैं उनकी परिवर्तन की स्टेज भी औरों से ऊंची होंगी तो यह चेकिंग होनी चाहिए रात दिन का अंतर दिखाई दे इस पर ही लकी स्टार्स का गायन है ज्ञान सूर्य ज्ञान चंद्रमा तो अपने स्टेज पर हैं लेकिन संपूर्ण परिवर्तन में लकी स्टार्स का नाम बाला है वर्तमान समय साकार रूप में फॉलो तो सभी आप लोगों को करते हैं ना बुद्धि योग से शक्ति लेना बुद्धि योग से श्रेष्ठ कर्म को फॉलो करना वह तो माता पिता निमित्त हैं लेकिन साकार रूप में अब किसको फॉलो करेंगे जो निमित्त है तो परिवर्तन का ऐसा उदाहरण बनो अच्छा आगे की मूली कल सुनेंगे ओम शांति